Hello, and welcome to our video series on maximizing your WIC food benefits. Today, we'll focus on cheese options available for you and your family. Cheese is packed with nutrients like calcium, potassium, vitamin D, and protein, and is lower in lactose than milk and yogurt. Let's see how to use your eWIC benefits to buy cheese. You can purchase any brand of pasteurized, pre-packaged block, shredded, sliced, string, regular, reduced fat, or low-sodium cheese in 8 or 16-ounce sizes. For information on the WIC-approved types of cheese, view the food list in the EasyWIC app or on the website at azwicfoodlist.com. Imagine your family balance summary shows 2 pounds of cheese issued and available. You could buy 2 16-ounce packages, 1 shredded and 1 string cheese, or 2 8-ounce packages of sliced cheese and 1 16-ounce block. You can mix and match in a variety of ways. You can view your food balance in the EasyWIC app under the eWIC card balance section. The ounces available will update as you make purchases. Check your family balance summary or the EasyWIC app for your specific food balance, as cheese may not be included in every package. We hope this information will improve your grocery shopping experience. If you have any questions about food items while shopping, contact the Arizona WIC Shoppers Helpline at 1-866-927-8390 or email at azwicshoppershelpline@azdhs.gov. For questions about the food list or how to use your eWIC benefits, contact your local WIC clinic.